2, 1. Welcome everybody to the Siem Reap Hotel. It's really nice. This room was only about $35 a night, and we are staying 3 nights total. So come on in, let's do the official room tour. So here is the bathroom, and again you get like the dental kit, comb, shampoo, soap, and then here is our room. We got the 2 beds. Not much of a view, but that's okay. And then, if we go back this way, they have these cute robes. That's basically it, but it's so nice. To start off our trip in Siem Reap, we went to the Khmer Ceramic Center. For $25 US, each person gets to make 5 pieces. But don't worry if you don't have a lot of experience, the staff is super helpful and so nice. This was one of the highlights of our trip. And you can't visit Siem Reap without a visit to Angkor Wat and some of the other temples. The ticket for the day is $37 US, and we also hired a private tour guide. So we had a party of 6 people, and it was about $20 per person, and that did include our tuk-tuk. Just make sure that you book this in advance with your hotel. Also, my advice is to make sure you wear a hat. You have to be fully covered out of respect. But it does get pretty hot, so make sure you wear a hat and drink plenty of water. And finally, if you need a great spot to watch sunset, check out X Bar. You can climb to the top and have a beer for $1 US.